How's it going, YouTube? Rishmi speaking. I hope you guys are well. This is going to be my very first actual recipe video on making quarantine easy no-bake cheesecake pie. It's a very simple recipe and I hope to share all of it with you. I've made it several times. I've taken it to my friends' homes and they've always came back for more. For these things, you're not going to need an oven. Don't worry about that. You can make this with a few simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. For instance, you're going to need a spoon, a bowl to mix the batter in, some lemon juice, although you can use a lemon if you have, but this is what I had on hand, condensed milk, any kind will do, some simple sprinkles, any color of your choice, and some cupcake icing, any color of your choice. And last but not least, a pie crust that's already made, which I preheated it off camera in the oven for about 5 minutes. Although you can just crush a lot of cookies and put them together and make your own pie crust, but this is supposed to be easy. And of course, this really cool blender. I really think it's really cool. Oh, I hope I didn't forget to mention the cream cheese. This handheld blender is so cool. Looks super high tech. I only got it yesterday. Anyhow, let's get started. With the help of my son, he's going to help me do this. All right, son, pour it in. All of it. Don't be afraid to use that spoon, my dear. Wow, that looks so beautiful. Just like in the commercials, don't you think, son? Don't waste. Take it all out with a spoon. We also added about 8 ounces of this cream cheese as well. Now we're about to add about a teaspoon or so of lemon juice. Okay, son, pour it in. Very good, my dear. A little note, my son actually helps me with my cooking. He can cook white rice on his own. He can make raita on his own. He can even make eggs on his own. Although I'm constantly supervising with him as he's only 12 years old, but nonetheless, it's very important to teach both your sons and daughters the importance of learning some culinary arts. No gender stereotyping here, I assure you. Now, we're going to mix it with this bad boy. I can't wait. Ooh, look at these cool blue lights. Look at this little bad boy. We've only had it for a few days. Just give it a press, Aldo. No harm. Now, I'm going to do this off camera because I don't want you guys listening to the entire video. It's quite annoying. I'll see you in a bit. Well, we did use the electric mixer, but we're continuing with the spoon as it made a lot of noise and it woke my younger son up, so that was quite frustrating. However, this is the thick, rich, creamy consistency it's supposed to look. Now, the easy part is, or the difficult part is done. Now comes the easy part. I just took the batter, if that's what you call it, and placed it into the already made pie crust. Like I said, you don't necessarily have to make your own pie crust. You can always buy it from the store. This is supposed to be the easy version. With all this quarantine stuff going on, who's got time for that? Now, here comes the fun part. Give it a shake, and we're going to make a little design. See? Recording. Nice and simple. Not perfect in the slightest, but we're not looking for perfection. We're looking for progress. Now adding a few of the sprinkles. Ooh, you can add a little bit of pink. You can add a little bit of pink, white, and green. Lost for words. Doesn't have to be perfect, just lather it on. Okay, lather probably wasn't the best word for this. But see how cute it looks? It's cute. A little bit of white. Mind you, this is the chocolate flavored pie crust, just so we're not mistaken. Now, what I'm going to do is pop this in the freezer for 1 hour or so until it gets hardened. Because we can't wait that long, I already have another pie on standby with a different flavored crust. And this, my friends, is how the desired result should be. I know, this one is a graham crust as opposed to a chocolate crust. But, however, it's almost the same. Isn't it wonderful? You don't have to use the oven, don't have to go through that heat, don't have to waste so much money on the electricity bill when there was an easier solution in our grasp this whole time. Let's see if I can get a slice. My son's been waiting for this for a long time, so let's not make him wait any longer, my dear. I couldn't cut it out perfectly. I've always had this difficulty, able to make something but not take it out of its casing properly. However, my son is going to take a taste and see what he thinks. Don't worry, just take a little taste. Uh-huh. Take a bite. So, son, what do you think of the piece? Say it louder, we can't hear you. Very good. Oh, well, my son is a little shy, but he's saying that it tastes really good. And you, my friends, have witnessed my very first simple, easy quarantine, no-bake cheesecake. I hope you all enjoy it, and I hope you will be able to share this with your friends, your family, and so much more people to come. Oh, wait, just a minute. One more announcement I have to make. It's a simple request. All I'm asking for you is to like, subscribe, and share this video. And anyone who does it will get $1 million. Just try it. It really works. LOL. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.